How to check how long you've been on a FaceTime call. Open the FaceTime app on your iPhone to look through your recent calls. This also works on an iPad or even a Mac, but we'll stick with the iPhone for now. When you find the call you want to check, you might notice it only shows the contact name and date. If you tap the little EIE icon next to that call, it'll bring up the person's contact info, but it won't give you the details of the call itself. For some reason, Apple doesn't show FaceTime duration inside the FaceTime app. So instead, open up the phone app and go to the Recents tab. Here, your FaceTime audio and FaceTime video calls will show up along with your regular phone calls. Find the FaceTime call in question and tap the eye icon next to it. Now you'll see everything: the date it happened, whether it was outgoing or incoming, the exact time, and how long the call lasted. For example, you might see something like this. You can do the same thing for regular calls too. Tap the icon next to any call and it'll show whether it was incoming or outgoing, the time of the call, and how long it lasted. So even though FaceTime doesn't show duration by itself, your phone app always has that info ready for you.